now.
I hate you guys.
I hate you too, Justin.
Oh, you hate me? Really?
Put it in your mouth. That's what she said too. But anyways,
Put it in your mouth.
that's what he said.
Bradley, stop.
Come on.
I really don't want to.
Just do it.
Do it! Do it! Just stick it in your mouth.
Say force it in.
Myself through torture.
Just do it. Oh, dude, I had 40 seconds and you were not doing it. Swallow it. You can swallow it.
Learn!
You failed.
I need water.
How long was that?
Give me water. Give me water. Give me water. Someone please. Baby, water. Water.
I can't.
Water. Yeah.
I'm not gonna do it.
Oh my god.
Look at the water.
You okay?
I'm gonna be spitting cinnamon for a week.
Oh my god.
How long did your Dota last?
Stop saying this to you.
Burn.
It's not that bad.
Come out my nose. It did.
Oh my god.
It came out my nose.
You had little Brad streaks right there.
I can't feel my tongue. How the hell did she do this? I can't feel my tongue.
Oh, yeah, Justin.
It burns my mustache. Yeah, see, don't you?
No.
Yes.
I hear you did.
Okay, well, I'm done recording. Say bye to the Say hi to the camera, Justin.
Don't ever do this.
You hate me now?
And that's a wrap.